Oh, this looks different. Let me get my old one. We're gonna try stabilizing a Sigma 20mm 1.4 Sony FE lens with the Sony a7 III. So we mounted the mounting plate on the bottom. So this is a max you can stabilize with this. It's on. Okay, let's give this a shot. That is not bad. Stabilized footage, as you can see. I'm panning. This is a 20mm super heavy lens that we could never ever stabilize on the Weebill-Lab. This is the S. And I am super impressed. And this is the motor doing most of the work. Test number 2. This is the 85mm. Okay, let's see if we can get vortex mode working on this. These two lenses are heavy. Shout out to this guy for helping me out. I'm probably gonna do a few more test shots, do full out test shots with different type of lenses, heavy, light. My go-to is the 24mm, perfect when it comes to gimbal shots. So stay tuned. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Peace out.